how to mirror video in CapCut. So first of all, we will just have to launch the application on my mobile device, and you will just have to export any of video you want to mirror. So we will just have to click on this timeline, and after we will just have to slide right and just find the mirror option. So as you can see, there is an option of transform. So we will just tap on it as well. In this, you will just see the mirror option. Just tap once, and as you can see, your video has been mirrored. So we will just have to play. So if we have to undo, we will just tap on it this sign, and after again we will just redo for the mirror. So in this way, you will just have to mirror video in CapCut very easily. Your video has been flipped. Thank you so much for watching, guys.